and your location has relationship with your wheel, and this is not coming up, guys. Yeah. Let me try this thing, guys. If not, I'll populate the data tonight. I'm just trying to populate some data, guys, just to quickly check that. Oh God. Five numbers, 3 ends. Oops. No, guys, this is not coming up.
Probably will give you time to sort it out today.
Pardon?
It will give you time to sort it out.
Yeah. Let me populate the data, guys. I'll probably like we are done with the configuration, and only thing is like we need to have the data to see the data is going to be populated here or wherever you need it. And if not, like I'll try to create at least like probably like we can use this field, guys, working days per week to be populated from your company. That's what we can do in tomorrow's session, guys. If this is not going to work, right, definitely I'll take this example and I'll show you guys. But if you understand how you're going to keep the rules in the propagation data model, yeah, that's the important thing, guys.
We need to go through the rules again, please.
Yeah, tomorrow I think we can repeat.
Yeah, sure.
And Raghu, THR 81 material you sent, module 6, 7, 8, videos are not opening up.
I don't know, guys. The videos are not opening. They are playing on my system.
No, for module 6, 7 and 8.
6, 7, 8?
No, that.
Yeah.
One or two I removed it because there is information that I cannot share with you guys.
No, for module 6, 7 and 8 there's nothing opening up, like no major file video.
And Raghu, I have a question. In that videos, there is inside one more video, they say, okay, go through this video and then you will be able to understand this, and we are not able to play that video inside that video. Right?
See, guys, I really not able to help you out with that, guys.
No, but for 6, 7 and 8 nothing is opening up. Raghu, can you please check?
Even if I check, right, I cannot help you out, guys. I'm not an expert with those videos. That is the reason that is the reason I will tell you in the first session itself. I cannot help you out with these videos. I know like people are like very enthusiastic to go through those videos, but Only thing I can tell you that I can have a look at it, guys.
Yeah, because nothing is opening up in those three, last three.
Correct, guys. I agree with you. Just let me have a look at it.
Go and check the access, but it doesn't work.
Who is it, guys?
Sandy.
Apparently, Multicat doesn't have video.
1 second. 1 second. Hold on a minute, guys.
Sandy. Yep, that one.
Let me try here, Sandy. Then I'll show you. It's not password problem. You can see here. You have to see here, guys. Invalid manager detected. That is the problem. It's not password problem. Login unsuccessful. Invalid manager detected. That's the problem. Let me correct that and I'll send it to you, Sandy.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can become a manager. Not a big deal.
Sure.
Raghu, same is the case with me, I guess.
Yeah, that's the reason. Like, if you just send me like your password is not working, and the first thing what I do is like I'll reset your password and set a new one. If you look at this reason, right, this is the reason, actual reason. Even if you keep n number of times, it doesn't work. You have to change. I have to change your manager. I'll change your manager because your manager might have inactivated. Someone might have inactivated your manager, so you don't have any hierarchy in your system, employee central system, and as the system is not able to find a hierarchy, right? It doesn't allow you to load into the system. It logging into the system, guys.
Right, so the password you recently set for me is also not working, Raghu, somehow. So maybe that's the reason, like, you know.
Yeah, I'll look into it. Who is this? Sorry, guys.
Rupesh.
Yeah, Rupesh. I'll do that. I'll look into it, Rupesh.
Yeah.
This is Smita here. I just got the email that you sent at around 8:30, but even I cannot log in. It says password or username invalid.
Okay.
And Raghu, I did not receive an email from you, Shweta.
Yeah, I'll look into it. Shweta, Rupesh, Sandy, Smita. Yeah, I'll look into it, guys.
And Raghu, I have a question regarding this propagation rules. So this propagation rule is written only from based on the source being foundation object and the destination being succession object. It cannot be vice versa, or cannot be from succession to succession.
No, it is only from your foundation to your destination succession data objects, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, Raghu, Sudhir here.
Yeah, go ahead, Sudhir.
I think I had the same issue with the login.
Sure. I'll look into it. Let me take a note, guys. Otherwise.
I think it looks like.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. No problem, guys. Let me look into it.
One more question. Question. In the video, they are referring some handbook. Is there any we can get that handbook?
Yeah, I'll send it to you guys. I already have all those things. Let me share those things with you guys. Yeah.
That's very great.
Yep, I'll do that.
Hey Raghu, I have a question. When you were, you commented on the standard hours. Can you just let me know why did you comment on the standard hours?
See, I don't want to get the company hours from the company, standard hours from the company. I want to rather get them from the location standard hours. That is the reason. At the first step, I don't have multiple rules. I should not want to keep multiple rules, right? See, I have the source and I have the destination defined, and even if I define one more source, right, it doesn't make sense, right? I don't want to do that. Your company is going to have the highest precedence, right? That is the reason. Earlier, if you see our example, company.standard hours is going to be propagated into location.standard hours. But I don't want to do that. I'd rather than getting it from the company, I want to get it from the location. That is the reason I commented out the company standard hours.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
That's all.
Whose else ID is not working, guys? Shweta, Smita, Sandy, Rupesh.
Raghu, this is Sri. I think you can send it to me.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah, Raghu, I think this is rare. My ID.
Raghu, please send it to me.
Motion, you are not working. Your ID is not working.
Yes, the new one that you sent me, I cannot log in.
Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, I'll look into it. No problem.
Can you add my name, please?
Yeah. Who is this?
Sudhir.
Yeah, Sudhir.
Thanks.
Sure. Okay, guys, no problem. Sorry, guys, I took some time to set up your IDs. Yeah, but I'll set it tonight and I'll reply to you in email, guys. Yep. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your time. And yeah, we'll meet in tomorrow's session, guys, at the same time, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.